Why is it that every time I push the button to record, 15 flies go to my legs? I don't get it. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Dave and Mao, building here in the Philippines. Just came out this morning, pick up the water igloo that I left and some tools. We're not going to be here the rest of the week, so I want to make sure that things are off the site and don't walk away. Anyways, it is cloudy. It's going to be pretty rainy all week, muddy, and I just don't feel like working. I need a break, man. The guys need a break. I need a break. Everybody's worked pretty hard over the last 3 weeks here. We've poured a footer. That was 60 bags of Portland. It's a lot. We've built our columns and we poured 6-inch walls all the way around. I'm really looking forward to getting the top beam done, which is kind of like a floor beam, really, not a top beam, and then pouring our slab. Once that's done, we'll move to the other section for a month, get that knocked out, come back and start popping up our walls here. It's been a fun process. Leading up to this, it was kind of a blessing in disguise waiting for permits. It gave me more time to really finagle pricing on gravel and sand. We get great pricing. I'm pretty impressed with that. My wife is a haggler, man. She really went at them and got the pricing all the way down. And that's what you need. You need a partner that's willing to really go at it and fight for it, because money's not free. And some of the quotes from 1,800 to 2,000 per square meter of gravel. We're at 1,600 per cubic meter, and our sand is at 1,500 per cubic meter. So when you can save 400 or 500 pesos per cubic, that adds up really quick, because we have a lot of gravel and sand just in this area. The most expensive part of my build, foundation, buried. But I won't have to worry. It's there for longevity. I know that my wife and son will enjoy this property well after I'm gone. It's just reality, guys. The guys got the property cleaned up yesterday. We took all the lumber, took all the nails out, stacked everything up nice and neat over here for the next foundation footer area. We got a bunch of sand still bagged up here. We have our water, which it didn't, well, we got 1, 2, 2 3/4. So 2, that one's kind of empty. Well, we got 3, about 4 containers full now from our gutter runoff. Both these gutters, we took some siding, wrapped it up, put some straps on it, and they both come down to these 2 middle containers. We put a screen on there to kind of filter out the dirt and debris and stuff from the roof. Everything's locked up. We got the excavator in front of the concrete mixer. Motor goes home every day. Got all our blackboard piled up. I put a board in front of our Portland just to make sure the rain doesn't hit it. Now this is our little, I actually sent these locks over from the US. I used to use them on my cabinets in my shop. If I can get the key in there. I like it because the locks here, the screws are exposed, so you just got to unscrew it. These are underneath, you can see. So it kind of helps out a little bit. I mean, if somebody wants to get in, they're going to get in. I got to grab this water cooler. I don't want that sitting here for a week. Now I got to relock this. Hold on, guys. There we go. Let's get the cooler and head back to the house. everything's cleaned up. The guys did a good job. I wasn't here Saturday. They just came out, pulled all the boards, stacked everything up nice and neat. Got everything's just organized. It's a great, clean work site. I don't have crap piled up everywhere like I see on most of these work sites. There's junk everywhere. Instead of picking it up and making it easier to walk, they will walk over everything. Kind of like your kid. You walk in his bedroom and there's shit all over the floor. You know, you just keep your site clean. It's so much nicer to be able to walk around and not have stuff everywhere. I have no wood scraps anywhere. It's just clean. Everything's organized. You gotta love it. Just clean. No trash on the ground. I bring trash bags out. We load those things up. I take all that stuff. We have a garbage location at our neighborhood, and I just put it there. I keep the site very, very clean. And when we move in here, our barangay, out at the highway, we have an area for trash pickup there. So all my trash will go there. Now locals down the road here, they just throw their stuff right out into somebody else's property, and they keep loading it up and then they burn it and load it up instead of taking it a half a kilometer down to where the trash gets picked up. It's just how they do it. They don't care whose property it is. They just start throwing trash there, and until somebody puts a sign up, and then that person that owns the land has to pay for somebody to clean up all the garbage. It's crazy. And most of the time, even when they put a sign up, they still just throw it there anyways. I don't know if it's just they don't give a crap or they just can't read. I don't know. I know that sounds terrible to say, but we got all the sand bagged up. We got to sweep. Someday I'll find a broom in this country other than the little one, you know, like a commercial broom for a building. What a day, huh? What a day. It's so quiet out here. That's what I love about it. Give you another look at this. What do you think, guys? You think this is a good foundation? Or do you think I should just put a door right here and live down there in the swamp? What a weird comment. That one kind of struck me wrong. And I know it was a expat who lives in the Philippines because he was just a jerk. But that's okay. To each his own, right? Yeah, this is coming out really nice, man. Well, I'm going to get out of here. I'm sure my wife and son are up. And I just came out to, like I say, get that water igloo. I'm actually going to go down and check out if Victor's pig had its piglets. I know he's been waiting on it. And that's one of the reasons we're taking the week off, because when your pig has piglets, you got to be there a lot, help feed, make sure mama doesn't kill them, rolling on them. And like I said, I needed a break. I took care of the guys for the week off. They still got families to feed. But in reality, it was probably perfect timing that his pig is getting ready to give birth, because I'm tired, man. And we only work 5 days a week, but it's been super hot, super wet, lots of rain, working in between. The guys worked through the rain several days, not because I forced them, but they just work. They just wanted to work. Like I said, when you get a couple good guys, you're golden here. And just take care of them. It's easy to take care of people that take care of you. All right, we're gonna go down. We'll see if the piglets are born yet. And I'll talk to you in a few minutes.